Kawuono noketho e owang'o nyasore kilo 438 ma nengone romo siling milion 13 manondhi e chakruok mar higani. Nyasorego maromo gunde 10 noyudi e nyamburko moro e kadak ma Otonglo dwe mar 2, kata kamano achije noringo. Regional Commissioner ma Nyanza Flora Mworoa mane otelo e chenrono oyango no Obila gikone to noyudo oboke mowuok e doho mar wang'ogi kendo neno ni okethgi chutho. Omedo ni weche mag yedhe mamero ji otiap ahinya e gwenge ma Kisumu kod alwora mare gino makelo rochruok mar arita.
As government, we are very committed to ensure that we eliminate the usage, the sale of drugs in our region. The security situation in our region is calm, except for a few incidences witnessed mostly in our urban centers and particularly in Kisumu. And I want to say that we as a security committee have taken up the matter. Several people have been arrested this week and they have been arraigned in court. And I would like to say that when you see some of the young men who have been arrested in relation to cases of robbery, they look like they are using drugs, and it's very unfortunate. That's why I say there is a direct correlation between insecurity and the use of drugs. When we fight this